Well, we have been joined by Mr. Vikram Gulati. He is the country head of Toyota Kirloskar Motors. So many thanks speaking to NDTV Profit. We have seen that there is a lot of concern among the users after E20 was rolled out. So as far as Toyota is concerned, are you seeing some kind of complaints by your users?
No, we're not. And I would like to assure all your viewers that it's not just Toyota, it's the entire automotive industry, which just a while back gave full confidence, saying that there is no such complaints coming to our dealerships, etc. If there are some issues, they may be relating to contamination of the fuel, which was there earlier also and which is there now. So it's nothing peculiar associated with E20 only. So the answer is no.
So are you seeing any sort of increase in the insurance claims? Like people are blaming E20 for that. Are you seeing any kind of this trend for Toyota cars?
Not linked to E20 issue.
So besides that, we are also seeing that the transition of E20 is much beyond what the government had earlier planned. And like we clearly understand that E85 and all such blends are flex fuel vehicles. But in order to address the public anxiety, what would you like to say on that?
So I would just say that as in the past, the decision that was taken to move from E10 to E20 was very considered, very calibrated decision after detailed study by independent testing agencies, results of which are clearly available and which we are citing here. And going ahead, I'm sure similar well-calibrated approach is going to be taken. So customers need not fear buying new vehicles. As you can see, the government is encouraging now a new technology called flex fuel vehicles. This technology basically allows you to drive with any mix of ethanol, whether it's 20, 30, 40. So it can take any mix. And that gives the consumer greater amount of flexibility and also the peace of mind. So going ahead, I'm confident that the ecosystem will move towards flex fuel vehicles also being available in addition to E20 regular vehicles.
So very lastly, not only the auto industry but also the petroleum minister has said that there is a significant, like a very small, minuscule drop of 3 to 3.5% as far as mileage is concerned. So from an engineering point of view, this drop that we're seeing in the mileage, is it under the well-prescribed engineering limits or is it over or beyond that?
Well, ethanol, you've got to look at it from a point of view of energy content of ethanol. It is lower by a certain percentage. And that certain percentage lower energy density of ethanol in terms of energy translates into certain small amount of drop in the fuel efficiency or the mileage. Because of the increase in the octane number, which is much better for the ethanol, there is some countermeasures that you can take to marginally improve that. But there is a drop in fuel efficiency by a very small amount, which is, as you rightly mentioned, between 3 to 4%.
Many thanks being to NDTV Profit. Thank you, sir. Pleasure speaking to you.